This is my C10 pickup truck, just replacing the door pins, door hinge pins. All I did was just prop the door up in the garage there, and all I did was use a reciprocating saw, just cut the old pins out, bang them loose. Obviously I bought a new door pin kit. And just, they had stupid plastic shims in there. Bang those out, stick the, I think the new brass ones in. Just bang them in. And your new pin. New pin goes in like that. Break it. Which way does it go? That way. There's your break it. Let's put your new pins in. Yeah, it's a pretty straightforward job. Pretty easy. Yeah, and I'll tackle the next one.